Hey guys, this is going to be the unboxing of the Nerf Elite Firestrike. So, let's get to this unboxing. So I have my knife here. And cut the tape. Ooh, this knife is really sharp. It's good for unboxings. So, put that knife away. And here it is. So, you open it up, it goes like this. The manual is in here. So, oh wait, let me grab my knife. There's pieces of tape. And now let's just twist ties. So, I'm just gonna undo these twist ties. This is just to know, guys, this is just an unboxing, not unboxing and review. So, look out, twist ties. Oh wait, there's one more twist tie. So, this gun has 3 twist ties. So, like that, and like that. So, take this twist tie out. Okay, so now the gun comes out easily like this. So here is the gun. So if you guys don't know, this is the elite version of the Night Finder. So this is the Firestrike, and I'm gonna show you the darts. Like, it's cardboarded in there. So I'm gonna just cut the tape at the back. So there it is, the manual and the 3 darts. So put that aside. So there's slots down here for the darts. So this is just an unboxing, so I'm not gonna really get into this gun. So that's how far it goes, and I'm just gonna shoot at this wall for no purpose. Ooh, that is really powerful. So here, I'm gonna show you the manual. So it's folded. You need batteries for it, for the light. So here it is. So that's the manual. You already have Nerf, you might not need the manual. So that, guys, is my unboxing for this Nerf Firestrike. Bye, guys.